not meet many British people. Okay, well listen, if you think of anybody, would you let me know?
I will.
You know, until 2 weeks ago, I didn't even know what a kipper was. We need help.
I can see that. Hey, sugar.
I'm sorry, are you talking to me?
I don't see anyone else, right?
My name's not Sugar.
Well, what is it then?
What are you guys doing? Playing with a squirrel?
I'm Joe Finetti. I'm here to pick up my cat.
Who's playing with a squirrel? What are you guys doing? Who's got that squirrel? Oh, you got that squirrel. Mr. Sinbad. Mr. Sinbad's got that squirrel.
Well, how would you like to see a movie with me tonight? Sam Stewart.
With you?
That's the general idea.
Oh, I don't even know you.
Well, here's a chance to find out.
And you don't know me yet. When will you get back inside this?
I can't speak for the others.
I'm afraid I'm busy
How
tonight.
about tomorrow night?
Even busier.
Well, I'm here for a lot of nights.
Mr. Fall, thank you for everything. Let me know how
Good grief.
Yeah.
You guys are hilarious. The SmackDown puppy dog wrestling match. What are you guys doing, huh? Good grief. Wesley, you're not supposed to stand on his head. Yeah, what are you... All right. Hey, Sinbad. That's too much. That's way too much. Yeah, you got to calm down. Yeah, he's just playing. Yeah, right, Wesley? Who's a good boy? Yeah. Wesley, I bail you out, and then you dig it right back out again and get it going. Yeah. You just don't know when to quit.